Hello, this is the National Weather Service in Missoula. Travis here with your March 26th planning briefing. Get into the key points here. Snow showers continue through early Monday morning, especially south of I-90. Watch for some occasional slick roads over the passes this afternoon, and then once we get to sunset, the valleys may see some brief accumulations under heavier showers as well. Monday and Tuesday, some scattered showers, limited impact. Wednesday and Thursday, there is a potential for more widespread showers once again, especially I-90 southward. That snow impact potential, especially for the passes, but perhaps even at night in the valleys. And the next weekend, a good pattern for considerable mountain snow. Now, looking at the actual threat matrix, let's see here. One thing that stands out once again is we're kind of watching that period for Wednesday night into Thursday morning for perhaps more of a moderate impact, especially southwest Montana and Limhi County. So we'll talk more about that as we go. Now here's a radar reflectivity, model reflectivity this afternoon all the way through early Monday morning. Like I mentioned earlier, considerable showers, somewhat decreasing through the evening hours, but especially on Monday morning. Let me stop it here for a minute. We'll proceed here. So here's later in the afternoon. You just continue to see showers or just kind of popping up here and there. And then everything tends to shift more towards the south and southwest as we get into the late evening hours. So watch those passes, of course, for the rest of the time for some occasional slick conditions. Then after sunset, under those heavier showers, the valleys could have some isolated impacts to the roadways. Once we get into the next kind of interesting period would be Wednesday and Thursday. Here's the probability of greater than an inch of snow. And you can see, definitely a focus I-90 southward. The passes here, you're getting more like 50, 60, 70% chance of at least an inch of snow. Pretty low probabilities for some of the valleys. But this is really a changeable period. I would keep an eye on this period for sure. At least stay tuned to what we're saying about it, because there's, like I said, definitely high probabilities for the passes to get some snow. Looks to just be a light to moderate event for the passes, but there's still considerable uncertainty with the closed low development possibilities and the track that it might take. And so what that does open up is this potential, about a 30% probability at this point, of more widespread valley light snow with wintry impacts. So that would be, would stand out more than just the passes getting hit across the southern part of the area. So something to keep tuned in about that, especially Wednesday night, Thursday morning period. Just had some of these graphs up for the passes to show a couple things. You can see the reflection of the light showers on Monday, and then once again just showing light snow. This is Mariah's Pass on Thursday. You can see the temperatures generally trend upward as we get to the middle and latter part of the week. You can see that more as we look at Lookout Pass here with the temperatures trending upward, especially during the daytime hours. Lolo Pass, kind of see that light reflection of that midweek event. As you can see, the further south we go, now at Lost Trail Pass, those amounts are perking up a bit. And once again, just a light to moderate event. But I think the real question is, how widespread will it be? Will it just be the passes, or will it include the valleys? So that's what we're watching. Homestake Pass, similar trend. Whitebird Hill, you get kind of the similar idea. Once we get to Tuesday, we barely dip below freezing at night. We may just be above freezing day and night once we get into the Tuesday, Wednesday time period. Now looking even further down the road at next weekend, April 1st and 2nd, here's a 48-hour snowfall 50th percentile, so kind of that middle of the road forecast. And we're generally seeing at least the mountains of northwest Montana and then along the Idaho-Montana border for those passes there, 8 to 12 inches, middle of the road forecast. So this would be Friday night through late Sunday. Valleys, doesn't look to be a great pattern for valleys, but there could be some snow showers at times that hit the valleys. Mostly a pass event here. Just want to look at the low end. So for the same time period, generally 4 to 8 inches for those passes. Once again, those western passes Not much in the valleys. If we look at the high end, the 90th percentile, getting anywhere from 16 to 24 inches of snow above 5,000 feet. Northwest Montana mountains, and then the western passes. Valleys anywhere from 1 to 4 inches. But once again, this really strikes me as a mountain type snow pattern rather than the valleys. The valleys may have some showers and some gusty winds at times, but definitely a mountain pass snowfall focus next weekend. Just to kind of back that up even further, the 6 to 10 day outlook: above normal precipitation appearing likely, below normal temperatures. So that looks to continue into early the following week, so that beginning of April time period as well, that active pattern. Thank you for joining. If you have any questions, please be in contact with us. Thank you. Bye now.